Hello. The Yifex full automatic packing machine is widely used in many industries, such as the food, pharmaceutical and chemical. As you see, the packing machine will fill the powder into the pouch automatically, and conveying it to be sealed. All the packing process is automatical, and you can set the packing weight value of the pouch by yourself. In addition, it's also available for you to adjust the packing speed with the LCD control panel. With this machine, you can save the labor cost and improve your packing accuracy and speed. If you need this packing machine or any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us with the following infos now. Thank you.